Good morning. I just wanted to take you in my kitchen to show you how to make Play-Doh. I am going to be making Play-Doh for the homeschool co-op this week that I'm going to be teaching. And we're going to be doing art. And we're going to be mixing different color Play-Dohs together to learn about color theory for our art class. Anyway, so I just wanted to take you along on the journey as I make my homemade Play-Doh. And then we're going to cook it over a medium heat. I'm going to make a red, yellow, and blue today because I'm going to be teaching at the co-op, at the homeschool co-op this week, and we're going to be doing color theory using Play-Doh. I got this new food coloring. Hopefully it will color it nicely. And I don't even know how much to use actually, because I've never used this kind before. This one I just got off of Amazon. Some kind of a gel. It's a pretty blue. Now, for the purposes of color theory, I think I'm going to want a little bit darker. I'm just going to add a little bit more. That's probably too much, but oh, that looks nice. Okay, so now once we have that mixed together, we're going to take it and we're going to cook it.